Imposter syndrome. You've probably felt it before. That critical little negative voice that says, "You're not worthy. You can't do that. Who do you think you are?" Today, I want to talk about imposter syndrome and share 3 ways I deal with it that might help you too. I'm going to continue painting on my large canvas while I chat. So let's get to it. I think most of us have felt like an imposter at some point, whether it's about your job, a relationship, or a creative endeavor. If you're human, I don't think you can escape this feeling. I'm just going to use myself here as an example. I've been painting and running my art business for over 25 years now, and imposter syndrome still creeps up on me. Honestly, I've been dealing with it on and off for almost this whole year. I started my YouTube channel this past February, and imposter syndrome has reared its ugly head many times. Thoughts like, "I'm too old to start this," "I'm too quiet," "I don't know anything about recording or tech," "No one will want to hear what I have to say," and here's the best one, "I'm not an artist, I'm just a hack that got lucky." Yikes, that's pretty harsh. But here's what I've learned, and maybe it can help you too. Number 1, celebrate your wins, especially the small ones. If you're just starting out, it might not be exhibitions or sales yet, and that's okay. Even finishing a sketch, trying a new technique, or sharing your work with a friend counts. Every small step is proof that you're moving forward and that you are an artist in your own way. And if you've been creating for a while, looking back at all your accomplishments, all the shows, projects, and milestones you've completed, reminds you that you belong here. It's evidence, not ego. Just simple truth. Number 2, focus on curiosity instead of comparison. It's so easy to scroll through social media or watch other artists and feel like we're not enough. But instead of comparing, I let curiosity lead the way. I ask myself, what do I want to explore today? What do I want to experiment with? When you focus on learning, experimenting, and the joy of making, it shifts your brain away from fear and toward creativity. Curiosity can carry you through those moments of doubt, whether you're just beginning or have been painting for decades. Number 3, take action despite fear. Sometimes the only way to quiet that little voice is to do the thing anyway. Pick up your brush, open your sketchbook, hit record or share your work with someone. Every time you show up, even if it feels awkward or scary, your brain starts to accept that you are capable. Action is the antidote to imposter syndrome. It proves moment by moment that you belong, that you can create, and that your voice matters. So if you're feeling like a fraud or questioning your worth, know this: it's normal, and it happens to everyone. The key isn't trying to silence it completely. The key is showing up anyway, celebrating every little win, staying curious, and trusting the process. Thanks for spending this time with me in the studio today. Remember, imposter syndrome doesn't define you. Your art, your curiosity, and your courage do.